Just got done working out. Did 17 miles. It's a long way. Of course, I did my warm-up first. You got to get your body ready to do the workout. But there's another component to working out. It's called the cool down. And it's super important to do the cool down. Physiologically, we'll get into what is happening in the body, why you need to cool down. But today, it's what are the benefits? Why cool down? How's it going to help me? What's it good for me for? Why cool down? Okay, so that's the focus of this week, is the cool down. Today, the benefits of cooling down. We have 4 main categories here, and then there's others that go with it. Number 1, body recovery. When you work out, you break your body down. You get little microfiber or micro tears in your muscle fibers, etc. Your body needs to recover. When you're working out, you elevate your heart rate a lot and your breathing rate a lot, and so you need to bring those down. So body recovery encompasses these things as well. It cools your body down gradually. You don't want it to just drop. Same thing with your heart rate and your breathing rate. It brings it down gradually. So you want your heart still pumping the blood through your body, but not just stopping all of a sudden. Again, physiology on that tomorrow. So, recovery, reduce blood pressure or body temperature, heart rate, and breathing rate gradually. Number 2, you avoid nausea and possibly passing out. I didn't really go run 17 miles, but it's kind of funny to do this stuff. So, if I were to do 17 miles and then I were to just stop, the blood would pool in my muscles, specifically in my legs, so much that I'm not getting the oxygen and nutrients to my brain, and I could pass out. So you want to avoid that. It also keeps the blood from pooling in your internal organs, which makes you nauseous, which means throwing up, which then leads to other things as well. So you avoid that sickness and passing out. Number 3, it reduces your muscle cramping and stiffness. And that is how you do a good cool down, which we're not specifically getting into today. It'll be Wednesday. But muscle cramping and stiffness, it reduces the chances of that. It is your chance to increase flexibility, because one of those things now is static stretching, where you're holding a stretch for a longer period of time. And so with increased flexibility, then you also have the reduced chance of injury. A lot of injuries do occur because of inflexibility. And so increase that flexibility also reduces your opportunity for injuries. These are things you're going to need to know. And you will be tested on these at the end of the year. Know the benefits of cooling down. Why is it good for your body? Reduce recovery, gradually reduce temperature, breathing, heart rate, avoid nausea, passing out, reduces muscle cramping and stiffness, increased flexibility, reduced injuries. Okay, know those.